So we just landed in Rovaniemi. As you can see, snowing as well. Looks like a nice place, but we booked a place. It's some kind of a rural area, just about 3 kilometers from here. So it's a bit of a long walk, but this is like a city center. The perfect learn with you. Look at this. It's very beautiful. There's some restaurants there. A lot of shops are, I think right now it's closed because the time is about 11 o'clock. Now look at the amount of snow here. Heavy snow. You need a good boot. My boot is very good anyway. So yeah, this place is nice, man. Very nice. You got like Turkish restaurant over there as well. And there's a supermarket there. Is this area nice? I would have preferred to stay here. That if you guys are coming, hi. Hello. If you guys are coming to this Rovaniemi, so I would recommend to book a hotel around this area. Kind of, it's very, very good. Because it's very convenient, to be perfectly honest with you. I think this is a hotel. I'm not too sure, but I'm thinking it's a hotel. But if it is a hotel, it's very, very good. And I saw another, look, this is a hotel. Look, this is a hotel. So I would recommend you guys to book this hotel, to be perfectly honest with you. Because everything is just around the corner. You don't have to worry about it. I'm going to take you guys to my house. We just came, put all the clothes in there, stuff in there, and came here to get some groceries and food from here. And I just want to show you guys. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing a bit more videos. So hopefully you guys can enjoy it. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll probably visit this area, to be honest. I will come here and kind of look around, and I'll show you guys in this area as well. Maybe that could be a one video. So don't forget to hit the subscribe, guys. It's not heavy snow, but it's snowing. It's about -2 degrees cold here. Yeah, I'm looking forward to explore this place. Just arrived, as I said, and this is kind of a high street area. It looks good. I will show you my house as well. It's by the lake. Yes, I'm looking forward to it. Look at this place, beautiful. And these ones are like delivery drivers, self-service delivery drivers, because they're very, very cold, so people don't deliver food. So these vehicles take food to their address. It's pretty cool. I've never seen that one before. Let's go. Huh? Go on. When you order it, it's called Starship. So when you order it and you put your food in there, and I guess you put the address in there, and this one takes you directly to the delivery address, like a Uber driver. It's pretty cool. I've never seen that. Look, robot delivery. First time in life I'm seeing this. It's pretty cool. It's just outside. It's beautiful. So I'll show you guys everything tomorrow morning. So peace, good night, and I'll speak to you on my next video. Bye bye. Morning guys, welcome back to another video from Lapland. I think it's snowing outside. I'm just going to show you guys outside a little bit because I just get up. As you can see, very protected. I think it's about -6-7 degrees cold outside, so I'm going to take you out a little bit and show you. Let's go. Inside it's pretty warm. There's a key here. I want to make sure the keys. I'm not gonna lock it just.
I'm wondering if I don't even take
Yeah, yeah.
Get better.
Yeah. I'm gonna put this one here, camera. Yeah. Come on. So look at this, guys. Pretty heavy snow. Ah, beautiful though. First of all, I'm gonna. No, I don't want to get this. I don't know what to do, so I'm gonna put it here. Walk about a bit. Ooh, very deep snow. But it's not that cold. Very deep. Very, very deep snow is. Oh, I take this. Ah, it's not cold. It's not cold at all, man. Hey, and I think this is the pathway. How to make sure that I walk properly. I don't know that you guys can see me. I think I'm gonna go get the get my thingy bob from here, and I'll show you guys a little bit. Yeah, be careful, it's very, very slippery. When you come this side, you have to come careful, slope, very slippery. Oh wow. So welcome to Lapland, guys. Look at this. I just want to go through the pathway, and I just show you a little bit outside. And at the back there is a what do you call at the back there is a lake, frozen lake there. Look how beautiful this is. This is what you call a proper white Christmas. I don't know whether there's polar bears there. We're in the middle of no man's land. Oh wow. Look. Snow is so high. Wow. Yeah, I don't know whether we can go anywhere because snow is very, very high. I think we come from like extreme hot weather from Dubai to extreme cold weather. Welcome to Lapland. So we got a lot of things planned in here. Because it's snowing, it's not that cold. To be perfectly honest with you. Otherwise it'll be very, very cold. Because it's snow, it's not that much of cold. Crazy, isn't it? Look how beautiful that is. Very beautiful. Just don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell, so when I upload these videos from Lapland, you will be notified. Let me see if I can put my camera somewhere here. Yeah, I can. I can go to main road because look at this. Nice. Yeah, it's not that cold. That's good news because normally when it's like a very cold, your hands get frozen and stuff, but it's not that cold. You can literally take your gloves off. I think you can come without the gears as well, because I was noticed when there's heavy snow, you don't get you won't get that cold. It's only the wind makes it colder. Yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm going to go inside, have a breakfast, and later I will show you the lake at the back. Looks like there's a path. Looks something went past this way. And I'll show you the lake, frozen lake at the back. And we are looking forward to see these northern lights. But in this weather, it's very, very difficult to see the northern lights, I guess. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Yeah, let's go in. Yeah, let's go in, guys. It's very beautiful. This is the house we're staying in. I will show you guys, give you guys a tour of the house. Let me take a video of this one as well. As you know, this is the house that we are staying at. At the behind, there is a lake, frozen lake. But I think during the summertime it will be very, very good, because it's a beautiful location. Every single tree looks like a Christmas tree, to be honest. And it's a beautiful lake at the back. And look at this. It's like a magical land, to be honest. That's the house. If you guys want to book this house, we are coming to Lapland. Want to book this house, let me know. I can arrange that for you as well. That's pretty cool. And thanks for watching this video, guys. And I will see you guys inside, have a breakfast, and there are a lot of things planned today, and there are quite a few bits of pieces planned today. Hopefully the snow stops, we can go out and explore. Let's go in. Let's play this is there. Oh, bloody hell. Freezing. Look, there's a foot. Can you see? Footpath, look. There's a frozen lake, huh? Yeah. Yeah, mình don't go in. Yeah, there's a frozen lake there. We're trying to go down, but not recommended, to be perfectly honest with you.
We don't know what name was.
Beautiful location. Oh no. Let me get the shower. Because this one is really good. I'll get the shower. Hold on. Hold it. Hold it. Yeah, this side is a frozen lake. We're trying to
Just there.
do a bit of extreme. I've never done this in my life.
Just make sure you don't slip, yeah?
The snow is about 3-4 feet inches snow right now. It's not cold, but very snowy.
Says the man who's wearing a jacket that holds minus 40 degrees.
Minus 5.
No, I'm just saying you hold a jacket. You're wearing a jacket that holds minus 40 degrees. So obviously it's not cold.
It looks like some footprint over here. Could be a reindeer, I'm not too sure. If you guys can tell me what footprint that is on the comment section, that'd be good. Looks like quite a few footprints, and if you come this side, it's a frozen lake. It's crazy. And there's a house over there as well. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look at this beautiful tree.
I can't touch it because my hands are cold. It won't let me touch the.
Or maybe it's your phone that's cold.
My flight. Huh? Ah.
Frozen or is it just water?
Yeah.
Frozen. This is the frozen lake. You guys can see, look, there's a house over there as well. Yeah, right now, standing just the edge of the frozen lake. Welcome to Santa Claus Island in Lapland. Looks like it's a pretty good ride, guys. I think if you are coming to Lapland, specifically in this area, you should take this excursion. There's two. Look what I have bumped into.